Today we are going to make this creative modern visiting card design in Canva. So I'm going to canva.com. Select the size 1050 pixels into 600 pixels. First, take the upper ruler level 75, side ruler 379. If you don't know how you can enable this, here is that. Select the background color. I will give you all the color codes in the description box. Now take a square shape. Change the color from single to gradient. Adjust the size and position. Height should be 105. Go to Shape and select this. Rotate this to 90-degree angle. Select another shape and do the same. Now combine these two and change the color to the gradient that you create for the previous shape. Group these two shapes. Drag to the upper side equal to the previous shape. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this shape and expand it to the right side. Change the position to backward. Now, go to Element and select the square shape again. Drag it to the bottom left corner and adjust the size and color. Add this triangle shape. Change the color to light orange. Add a square shape and adjust the size and position. Change the color to a black and gray gradient. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for color code. Change the position to backward. Duplicate this and change the position to the right side. Now add a black page and change the background color to white. Search for line shadow. Select this. Rotate to 90-degree angle. Adjust the size. Change the transparency to 90. Duplicate this. Combine these two and do it one more time. Make group all. Duplicate the group. Flip all and again combine all. And make a group. Add a shape and change the color. Make it line. Drag to the above shadow. Now create a group with all. Drag it to the design page. Place it at the side ruler level. There will be your company logo. Add a circle shape. Change the color to a gradient. Duplicate this shape. Add all the essential icon. Now add a text. Write your company name. Place it down to your company logo. Change the color and select the font called Sensation and make it uppercase. Duplicate the text and write your contact info and address. Again, duplicate the text and change the color to the same as the background color. Write your name and designation. Change all the contact info text from bold to non-bold. Change all the icon colors to match the background color. Now duplicate this page and remove all the content. Add a shape and then place it on the top side. Place and company logo. Your name and designation here. Congratulations! You've made the $50 valuable design. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.